This is the dishwasher. Dishwashing tabs are kept underneath the sink. In order to switch it on, take your dishwashing tab and put it in the compartment. Push that in so it clicks. Over here are the controls. I've already switched it on, but if you hold that button in, that's off and that's on. Select the program. I would advise using Daily Wash, program number 3. And when you close the door, it will start up. If you open the door, it will stop automatically. In order to cancel the program, hold the P button in for 3 seconds. And that should cancel it. There you go, lights are still flashing.